So here's how to scan for viruses on Windows 11. It's quite simple and let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for Windows Security. Here is the Windows Security. Just go and tap on that. Alright. Then from here, you need to tap on the virus and threat protection. Alright. Then from here, you need to go simply scan options to find out this kind of option. First of all, if you go with the quick scan, it will mainly scan the common files where the virus is. It will take less time, so like 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes to scan your whole system. But if you go with the full scan, it will scan the all folders that you have in your system, like it will scan all the folders, all the files on your system, that is available on your hard disk as well. So it will scan your Windows files as well as the movies, softwares and everything that you have in your PC. So for the quick scan, it is taking like 1 or 2 minutes, but for the full scan, it can take up to 1 hour or 30 minutes. So if you have that much of time, then you can go with the full scan and there you have it. All right. So that's how you can simply scan for viruses on Windows 11, and as well as it will work on the Windows 10. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.